Hello, my beautiful nail babies. I hope everyone is having a great day. So, today I am doing another unboxing. So, this one is from the company called Boo Boo's Glitter Glory. I did order some stuff, and then she was super kind enough to send me some other extra goodies. So, here I am showing you some birthday goodie bags that I bought, and depending on your birthday month, that's the color you'll get. So it does match like your birthstone type of thing. So I was born in October, so I do have two colors. I have the pink color and the opal. I was super impressed by these little goodie bags because they're super cute, and I love the glitter and the embellishments. So they do come with the matching glitter from your birthday month, and also a goodie bag of embellishments, which include like little micro beads, some colored rhinestones, some of those what are those called, like metal embellishments. And yeah, I believe the glitter is 6 grams. I'm not too sure if the embellishments have any weight stated, but anyways, these were super cute, and they do have all 12 months. So if you're in the lookout for that, please check that out. I do compare these side by side, and then we do have another glitter collection here. These are, I believe, Beyond the Stars collection. The super cool thing about these is that they glow in the dark. I've never seen glitters that glow in the dark. I've only seen pigments and acrylic powders, but glitter, that is super awesome. I can't wait to use these. These are great to do sugar nails and to apply them, to mix them up with some clear acrylic. So once again, I can't wait to use these. And I do want to give a big shout out to Boo Boo for sending me this amazing package. I know it's super hard as a small business owner to send out some free items and stuff like that, so I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys are enjoying this video. And please don't forget, I will be leaving her link down below, so you do check her out and show some support. So I'm still unpacking the Beyond the Stars collection here. These are double bagged, so you don't have to worry about any leakage. I do believe I take one out to show you the true sparkle on these amazing glitters. I think it's right here that I do. Yeah, it was right there when I was stating it. But anyways, I did get some other glitters. These are from the birthday goodie bag collection. This is from the November month, and this one is from January, and they're super cute. Next up, she did send over some embellishment slash rhinestone glue. She also sent me some pigments. I believe it's all the colors she carries on her website, which is super cool because these also glow in the dark. So again, these are awesome to do some like sugar effect, or to mix it up with some top coat to make your own gel polishes. So I loved these bright and fun colors. These remind me of summer, so I can't wait to use them in my upcoming sets and stuff like that. I don't think I showed how they glow in the dark, but they actually charge pretty fast, and they have a very bright glow. I was super surprised of the glow they had because they do have a strong glow. So here I'm going to show you guys some sequins she sent over. So this one is the first one, some beautiful hollow hearts, and then we have some, I think, purple hearts. I'm not too sure. Oh no, these were my favorite out of the hearts. It's, I believe, the name of it's called Sunset, and then this like purple lilac color. These have such a beautiful reflection. And then she did also send over some mylar flakes, super beautiful. These added such a nice reflection to the nail. If you don't want anything too crazy, mylar flakes are the way to go. So thank you for sending me these. She did send over some butterflies as well, and look at the reflection on it. That is super beautiful. They got some light purple. Again, such nice reflection, and we got some gold butterflies as well. I do want to do like an ombre now with butterflies, so I can't wait to put these in use. Then we did get some glow in the dark moons and stars. I do show you here how they glow, super beautiful. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to check her out. I will be leaving her IG down below and her website. And thank you for watching. Bye.